Hello everyone. Today we'll be discussing about Class 7 Maths Chapter 8 Exercise 8.2 Question number 6. So let's get started. So what does 6th question tells us about? 6th question is convert given percent to decimal fractions and also to fractions in simplest form. So in the question there are percents given, we have to convert it to decimal fractions and also in its simplest form. So let's move to the questions. Now what is A question? A question is 25%. So we have to convert this to decimal fractions and also it in its simplest form. So first what we will do, 25 by 100, okay, which is equals to 25 divided by 100. So divided by 100, here dot, here point will be there, 1, 2. So this will become as 0.25, okay. This will be written as 0.25. Now the 0.25 by 100, if we remove this 0.25, it will be 0.25, which is also 25 by 100. Okay, now this 25 by 100, will it go in any of the multiples? Yes. This will go in 20, this will become 5, this will become 4, this will become 1. So this answer we get is 1 by 4, okay. 25 by 100 in its simplest form is 1 by 4. Now let's move to the B question. Now, what is B question? B question is 150%. Okay, so we have to convert this 150% to decimal fraction and also it in the simplest way or simplest form. So first we will write 150 by 100, which is known as 150 divided by 100, which gives us 1.50, okay, because this moves here and then here, so here point will come, okay. Now it will become 1.50 by 100, and when we remove this point from this 1.50 by 100, this becomes 150 by 100 again, and this we can cut these both zeros. Now 15 and 10, will it go in any of the multiples? Yes, it will go in 5 multiples. So this will become 3 and this will become 2. Now the answer we get is 3 by 2. Okay, so 150 by 100 in its simplest way or simplest form is 3 by 2. Now let's move to the C question. So what is C question? C question is 20%. Okay, now we have to convert it to decimal fraction and also it in the simplest form. So how will we do it? First we will write 20 by 100, which is equals to 20 divided by 100. Now 2 zeros, so 1, 2. Okay, now point will be here. So this will become 0.20 by 100. Okay, so the 0.20 by 100, when we remove this point, it becomes 0.20. Now because this 0 is on the first, like from the left hand side, this is from the first, so this doesn't have any value, so this becomes 20 by 100. Okay, now we can cut these, and this 2 and 10, will it go in any of the multiples? Yes, it goes in the multiples of 2. So this will become 1, this will become 5. The answer we get is 1 by 5. Okay, 20 by 100 in its simplest form is 1 by 5. Now let's move to the D question. So now what is D question? D question is 5%. We have to convert it to decimal fraction and also it in the simplest form. How will we do it? First we have to write 5 by 100, okay, which is 5 divided by 100. So the point will move 1, 2. Okay, so this will become as 0.05 by 100. Okay, now if you remove this 0.05 from this 0.05 by 100, this point, it will become as 0.05 by 100. So these both zeros doesn't have value. So we rub the zeros out and we'll write what? 5 by 100 again. Now this 5 by 100, we can cut it and write 20. This becomes 1. So the answer we get is 1 by 20. Okay. So 5 by 100 in its simplest form is 1 by 20. So this was question number 6. Until the next video.